one of the important things which we had Mendel help us with, which is which shows really how effective the AI system Mendel uses can be applied to healthcare information, is that we thought that, if Mendel is saying that they can do this and can do it well, we really need to make sure that the rubber meets the road and that they really can prove that they can identify trials. So we do have a full-fledged research department with research staff, and we had Mendel approach them to see whether they could identify patients for roughly about 5 clinical trials. Because we wanted to know really whether Mendel can do this or not, So what we did was we had them work with our research team. The research team did that work manually, and it took them 3 months roughly to go through all the data to identify patients. That 3 month worth of work could be accomplished with Mendel's AI capability literally in less than 9 to 12 minutes, which is amazing. And we were also able to identify, as a result of that, 30% more patients who could potentially be put on that trial, or those trials which we were looking at. So not only did it help us identify more numbers of patients, it also helped us identify these numbers in a much lower period of time.
The Mendel AI system also helps us not only search through our data, but it changes our focus from being reactive to proactive. So whereas in the past we were waiting for other CROs or drug manufacturers to come to us with clinical studies, now we can analyze our data almost in real time so that we can identify what patients we have that would actually match up to clinical trials. As good as it is clinically, it's also equally, if maybe not better, economically, in terms of being able to take clinical research and actually make it a very financial contribution to our program as a whole.
The AI system it uses has this tremendous capability of identifying and looking at scanned patient documents. And these scanned patient documents, other systems, many of them are out there, tested in Jeopardy and a variety of places, but none of those systems can actually deliver the results, particularly for scanned documents. Today, if you look at it, a majority of the documents which we see when a patient comes in are scanned. 60% or 70% of the documents we have are currently scanned.
It's not something that we're going to use to reduce staff, but we're going to use it to leverage the productivity of our staff so that we can continually grow and provide the most trials to our patients.
Time efficiency and labor efficiency, both of those things can be accomplished with the system.